Well, mister, that wasn't a very long nap. You didn't sleep very long. Yeah, what's the matter, Rocky? What, baby? What happened? Hey? You gonna go back to sleep? You don't want to? Why's that? What happened? Did you have a bad dream? Did you? Do you want cuddles with Mummy? Yeah? You want cuddles with Mummy? Where are you taking me? Does somebody want to go out in the pushchair? Do you want to go for a walk? Do you? Well, we can go in a little while. Mummy's got meetings right now. I know you don't care about my meetings, but I have to do them. Well, guess what? Hi. Hello. Where is she? Yes, well, Mummy's got a meeting, and guess what meetings do for you? I know you don't care, but they get you treats. Yes. Babies, Mummy has to go to this meeting, and then we'll go out. Really? Really? Ophelia, you just woke up? Yes, pretty girl. Did you just wake up? We'll go out in a little while when Mummy's finished her meeting. I know, I love you. I know you love me too. Ophelia, do you love me? Ophelia. Ophelia. Why does she not want to say she loves me, Rocky? Oh, okay, you do. I love you both too. Speak to you later. Later.